Greetings everyone, myself Yash Pansal and I am here with my team members. We are here to explain new types of natural vegetation. This is our layout and our teacher in charge is Mrs. Jyoti Kakkar ma'am. This is our geography PBL and our topic is types of natural vegetation. Platforms we have used are Zoodocs, Zooshow, Kahoot Quiz, Quizzes Quiz, Typeform for feedback, and a video was made by MS PowerPoint. Our team members are Yash Bansal, Karan Kumar, Aditi Gupta, Krish Gupta, Mahi Gupta, Neha Yadav, and Aditya Gupta. Topics we have covered are what are they, their characteristics, plant and animal species live there, their location, and Ministry of Forest and Environment. Hope you all will enjoy our presentation. Thank you. Greetings everyone. Myself Yash Pansal. I am here with my team members. We are here to explain your topic, types of natural vegetation. Our teacher in charge is Mrs. Jyoti Kakkar ma'am.
This is our geography PBL and we are presenting the presentation in front of you.
Acknowledgement. We, the children of class 9, have together made this project under the supervision of our teacher, Mrs. Jyoti Kakkar, and we would like to thank her and our school management for helping us to learn so many new things through these projects. This project helped us to learn many new things about natural vegetation. We would again like to thank our teachers and our school management for their support.
What is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation means the plants that have not been grown by humans. The growth of vegetation depends on temperature and moisture. It also depends on factors like slope and thickness of soil.
Classification of natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is classified into two: flora and fauna.
Flora. Flora is all the plant life present in a particular region or time, generally the naturally occurring indigenous native plants.
Fauna is all of the animal life present in a particular region or time. The corresponding term for plants is flora. Flora, fauna, and other forms of life, such as fungi, are collectively referred as a biota.
Types of natural vegetation. There are five types of natural vegetation. First, tropical evergreen forest. Second, tropical deciduous forest. Third, tropical thorn forest in scrubs. Fourth, montane forest. Five, mangrove forest.
Tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are well satisfied and with layers closer to the ground covered with shrubs and creepers, followed by short structured trees, further followed by a tall variety of trees. In these forests, trees reach great height up to 60 meters or above, bounded by semi evergreen forest on drier margins.
Characteristics. First, two characteristics of tropical evergreen forests are They always appear green as all the trees do not shed their leaves at the same time. These forests are dense, and the trees are more than 60 meter in height. Location: the greatest single area of tropical evergreen forest is the Amazon basin in the northern half of South America. Similar forests are found through the isthmus of
Plant species. Some of the common commercially important trees of tropical evergreen forest are ibuni, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. Animal species. The common animals found in these forests are elephants, monkey, lemur, and deer.
Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests occur in regions with heavy rainfall for part of year followed by a marked dry season.
Characteristics. They receive rainfall between 70 cm to 200 cm. Trees shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks. Monsoon forest is the other name for a tropical deciduous forest. Its location: Africa, India, South America, Central America, and small island in the Pacific are some of the places where they grow. In India, they grow in the states of the Madhya Pradesh.
Plant species. Deciduous forests are home to trees such as oak, birch, beech, aspen, elm, and maple. Tropical and subtropical forests are also have trees, palm trees, and bamboos. Plants found in these forests include flowers, ferns, mosses, and herbs. Animal species. Animal inhabiting deciduous forest includes insects, spiders, reptiles, and birds. Tropical and subtropical deciduous.
tropical thorn forests and scrubs. The tropical them forest, thorn forest and scrubs are the kind of forest of or areas that experience an average rainfall of less than 70 centimeter, which is too less or scanty. The features of these kinds of forests are: the vegetation consists of stunted trees with thorny bushes.
Characteristics. The three characteristic features of the thorn forest and scrubs are: the thorn forests are found in the regions with receive less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. The trees of the thorny bushes have long roots which penetrate deep into the soil in reach of water. Location. They are usually seen in the semi-arid regions of India like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and dry areas of Deccan Plateau.
Plant species. The vegetation consists of stunned trees with horny bushes. The majority of the forest are covered with trees like babul, kikar, khair, plums, cactus, and dates. Animal species. Animals like donkeys, camels, rattlesnake, porcupine, wildebeest, eagle, and rabbit thrive in this habitat.
Montane forest. Montane ecosystems are found on the slopes of the mountain. The alpine climate in these regions strongly affects the ecosystem because temperature fall as elevation increase, causing the ecosystem to stratify. Dense montane forests are common to moderate elevations.
Characteristics. They are found in hilly areas having a high altitude. The best temperature forests are found between 1000 to 2000 meters. These forests are mostly used by Gujjar shepherds. Location. These forests can be found in the higher hilly areas of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, also in the region of eastern Himalayas to the east of 88° east longitude, including the hills of Assam, West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland.
Plant species. Some significant trees of mountain forest are rhododendrons, ferns, oak, maple, juniper, deodar, chilgoza, etc. Animal species. The common animal found in mountain forest are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy, hornbill, ibex, deer and rare red panda, sheep and goats with thick hair.
Mangrove forest. A mangrove is a scrub or small tree that grows in a coastal line or brackish water. This term is also used for tropical coastal vegetation consisting of subspecies. Mangroves occur worldwide in the tropics and subtropics, mainly between latitudes 25° north to 25° south. The total mangrove forest area of the world is 2000 was 1,37,800 square kilometers, spanning 118 countries and territories.
Its characteristics. Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees, also called halophytes, and are adapted to life in harsh coastal conditions. Second, they contains a complex salt filtration system and complex root system to cope with salt water immersion and wave actions. Third, they are adapted to the low oxygen conditions of mud. Location. The Sundarban Delta is the largest mangrove forest in the world, located in Ganges River Delta in Bangladesh and West Bengal, India. The Picharvaram mangroves in Tamil Nadu is India's one of the largest mangrove forests.
Plant species. Mangrove any of certain shrubs and trees that belongs primarily to the families Rhizophoracea, Acanthici, Lythric, and Combretici and Ericae that grow in the dense thickets or the forest along the tidal estuaries in salt marshes and on muddy coast and that characteristically have crop roots. Animal species. Mangrove swamps are rich habitat full of animals like the snowy egret, white ibis, brown pelican, frigate birds, cormorants, mangrove cuckoos, herons, manatees, monkeys, turtles, lizards like anoles, red-tailed hawks, eagles, sea turtles, American alligators, and crocodiles.
Ministry of Forest and Environment. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is an Indian government ministry. The ministry is responsible for planning, promoting, coordinating, and overseeing the implementation of environmental and forestry programs in the country. The main activities undertaken by the ministry includes conservation and surveys of the flora and fauna of India, forest and other wild wilderness areas, preventions and controls of pollution, afforestation and land degradation mitigation. It is responsible for the Administration of the 1947 National Park of India.
We have made a map of natural vegetation in India. We have made this map through dials and pulses. You can see that here is the area that is of montane forest, and here is 2 of montane forest. Here is the area of tropical evergreen forest, and ever where are you seeing the rice pulses is the area of tropical evergreen forest, and you are seeing this yellow spices. It is a turmeric, and we have made this of tropical deciduous forest, and this red chili powder indicates that tropical thorn forest.
Now there are some following team members: Yash Bansal, Karan Kumar, Aditi Gupta, Grace Gupta, Mahi Gupta, Neha Yadav, and Aditya Gupta.
Hope you all liked our presentation. Thank you.